Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Moxie DIY in Java. I'm Michelle. Today's video is the Spring Mystery Swap Challenge. So I've got my box right here. I received it from Tammy and I'm gonna open it. So grab your cup of coffee or your favorite beverage and join me. Got some ribbon, lemon themed. Okay, I found the first 3 challenge items, so I'm gonna set these aside and I will open these last. Wow, you fit a lot in here. Ooh. The white and black buffalo check vinyl. The red and black buffalo check. In all things, give thanks. Oh, cute. Wash and dry, open 24 hours. So I've got 2 of these. Ooh, house plaque. We never got these. I always love these mystery swap challenges because not only is it fun, but I get craft supplies I've never seen before. Be your own kind of beautiful. That's pretty. Hello World. Kind of a pink and gray color, and the other one was a blue and white. I feel like this is Mary Poppins' purse. Oh, cute! Got some grosgrain ribbon, yellow and green. Oh, cute! Mini photo frame. Sorry, I need my bangs cut, so they're kind of getting in my face. Oh, cute. Super cute stickers. Oh, that's pretty. Bling stickers. Those are cool. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. We never got these. And I was green with envy every time I saw people DIYing with these. So I am super excited about these. Thank you, Tammy. Decals, love and peace. I'll turn them around. This is cool. Little wall shelf. I think it's pretty as it is. I don't know, I may not do anything to it. Metal tags, I love these. I use these all the time and I'm due for more, so thanks, Tammy. Yes, I love these too. I used these in Christmas time and I made 2 vintage ornaments with them. I'll link it up above. But these are so versatile. You can use them for pretty much anything. This pretty vase. Very nice. Okay, we're on to the challenge items. So I will open number 1 first. Now these are items that I must use in this video. Oh, he's so cute. A little fox. Aww. Okay. Number 2. Well, it's an earbud case. Got a little pocket right here. I knew karma was coming. If you've already seen Brenda's video, you already know the things I sent her, so I knew karma was coming to me. All right, and number 3. It's a butter dish. Okay, all right, I think I can work with these. I will figure something out to do. The hardest one I think is gonna be number 2. It's gonna be this, this little electronics case. I'll figure something out. So that is it for the opening. Stay tuned because in a second we're going to start the DIYs. Okay, off camera, I spray painted the fox completely white. And now what I'm going to do is Mod Podge this really pretty napkin. I got it from Target last year, and I'm going to do it on the flat part of the eyes, the inside of the ears, and her chest. Now, when you're Mod Podging with napkins, you want to make sure that you remove the second ply. I'm going to apply a very light layer of Mod Podge on this fox. Just because the napkin is so thin, I don't want it too goopy, otherwise it could wind up tearing the napkin. I'm going to do rough cuts here and then go in later and fine tune. Now on the inner ear, I found these really cute baby flowers and I'm going to use those on the inside of her ears. Now that these have dried, I'm going in with another coat of Mod Podge to seal everything in, and then I will fine tune the cuts. For the detail cuts, I will be using my detail scissors, tearing as well as my X-Acto. I felt like her chest needed a little more leaves, so I'm going to add those now. I'm going to paint her nose black, and then I'm going to use white paint to dry brush over the eyes. The pattern was just a little too bold, so you couldn't see her eyes. With this detail brush and black paint, I'm just going to follow the line of the original eyes on the fox. A final coat of Mod Podge, and then she's done. As I mentioned in the intro, this is the Spring Mystery Box Swap, and it is hosted by Brenda over at Monner's Market and Krista of Krista's Crafty Life. And this is so much fun. I did the Christmas one, and what we do is each of us is given a name, and we send our box to that person. And then we receive a box full of mystery craft items. And I sent mine to Brenda, as I mentioned, and I got mine from Tammy of Happiness Created. I will also link the video of the person who comes after me. So Brenda's video will be linked below, as well as her channel, Krista's channel, Tammy's channel, and the playlist link. So be sure to check out the description box because it will have lots of information for you. Once again, off camera, I spray painted the outside of this case gold, and now we're going to cut out this little pocket because we're not going to need it. Using my favorite gold paint by Folk Art, the brushed metals, I'm going to go around the rim of the inside of this case. I had originally planned to use a different paper for the lining of this case, but I found these really pretty blue and white faux tiles from the Dollar Tree. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut one to size and now press it into the case so I know where to cut. These are adhesive, but I wanted to make sure that they did not come off, so I'm using hot glue as well. I'm just making sure I don't have any paint on the zipper, and now we're moving on. This pearl is purely optional, but I think you might have an idea where I'm heading with this. I had these oyster shells on hand, and if you make this, use whatever shells you want. But I'm going to go around the outside with, once again, the gold paint, and this will be the accent of the outside of our case. You probably can tell by now that this project was inspired by the oyster shell trinket dishes that you see all over Pinterest, and this is now a travel oyster trinket dish. So that is where I went with this, and I hope that you guys like it. It's different, but I actually really like it, and you know, I'm going to be traveling a lot more lately, and I am excited to use this. This way I know exactly where my wedding rings are, I know exactly where any earrings are that I take off. So that's what this is going to be. And I'm just gonna go over the hot glue with some gold to cover that up, and then we'll be done. To start this DIY, we're going to take the top of the butter dish and make that our base and glue the tray on top of that. And then we're going to Mod Podge some napkins using the same concept we used with the fox. If you are enjoying this video, I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel or liking this video. My subscribers are my favorite people on YouTube, and I hope that you will consider joining us. We have a lot of fun. The DIYs I typically make are ones that are easy on the budget but beautiful to the eye. And if you are a returning subscriber, I adore you and I am so glad that you are here. Now to create the enamel look, we're going to use the flat side of the sponge with some black paint and just run it around the outside rim of the dish. And it's as easy as that. I love enamelware. I love the way it looks. I think it just looks really fresh, and I hope that you like the way that this turned out. Comment down below and let me know which one of these is your favorite. I think mine is the fox, but tell me which one is yours. I'm so honored that you spent your time watching my video and enjoying these DIYs, and until I see you in the next video, take care.